Hello, financial aficionados. In this accounting tutorial, we'll be discussing one of the fundamental concepts in the field of accounting: trial balance. Trial balance is a tool that accountants use to ensure that all the debits and credits in the financial statements are in balance. It's a crucial step in the accounting process that helps identify errors and maintain accurate financial records. For those just starting out in Accounting 101, preparing a trial balance can seem daunting. However, it's a necessary step that ensures the accuracy and reliability of financial statements. We'll tell you how to prepare a trial balance easily and effectively. When you prepare a trial balance, you're comparing the total debits and credits in the ledger accounts to ensure they match. This process helps to identify errors that need to be corrected before the financial statements are finalized. That's it for this episode. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to us for more informative materials, and we'll see you next time.